Welcome to the latest edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. LifeScan is widening its diabetes tech footprint, and CGM is becoming a core brand battlefield. LifeScan, known for OneTouch, said it serves more than 20 million users globally. It is partnering with i-SENS to launch a OneTouch Vita branded CGM system, with an initial rollout planned for early 2027 in Germany, Ireland, Portugal and Belgium, and additional markets later. Insulet is also pushing regional expansion, paired with ecosystem upgrades. The company said Omnipod 5 is now commercially available in the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar and Kuwait. Omnipod 5 is described as an automated insulin delivery system that adjusts insulin delivery every 5 minutes. Insulet also launched Omnipod Discover, a web-based data and analytics platform. Karolinska Institute highlighted a potential new lever in diabetic wound care biology. Researchers reported a mitochondrial circRNA, circRNA2, is reduced in tissue from long-standing diabetic foot ulcers. In patient tissue, human skin models and mice, changing circRNA2 levels affected healing speed, linked to mitochondrial stress and fibroblast function, though human clinical benefit is not established. Avant Technologies completed a rebrand to Avaí Bio. The company describes a focus on genetically modified cellular platforms and encapsulation technologies, and highlights diabetes cell therapy programs for type 1 and insulin-dependent type 2, plus joint ventures including Insulinova and Clothonova. In the UK, NICE updated guidance to recommend modified release metformin plus an SGLT2 inhibitor as initial therapy for type 2 diabetes, replacing metformin alone as the typical start described in the article. This could shift sequencing and reimbursement discussions. A report said the FDA approved labeling changes for 6 menopausal hormone therapy products, removing cardiovascular disease, breast cancer and probable dementia statements from boxed warnings. The article adds FDA-reviewed literature and requested proposed updates from 29 companies. Portal Diabetes reported receiving FDA breakthrough device designation for its implantable portal pump system. The company describes a combination approach involving an implantable pump, CGM, and concentrated insulin, with early-stage clinical and regulatory steps still ahead. A Horizon Europe-funded project, Praesidium, described integrating physics-informed machine learning with physiological models, clinical data, and wearable inputs to support earlier prediabetes risk prediction and research use tools for clinicians. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for